Good evening, students. Today we will learn about factorization of polynomial. How can we factorize a polynomial? So today we will discuss about how to factorize a polynomial having the highest power 2. That means a quadratic polynomial. Okay. That means the standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So this is a quadratic polynomial because the highest power of the variable x is 2. Okay, this one is 2. So the highest power of the variable of quadratic polynomial is 2. So this is the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. So today we will learn about how to factorize a quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so let us start with an example. I have doing from exercise exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. Question number 4. Exercise 2.4. Question number 4. Okay. You can refer your book. So the first question is given as 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So we have to factorize it. So how we can factorize it? So what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is 12. The coefficient of x square is 12. And what is the value of the constant term? The constant term is 1. So we have to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term. This is the rough work I am doing. This is just a rough work. Okay. I am showing you the rough work also so that you can understand each and every step clearly. So 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Okay. So now we have to find the factors of 12. So 2, 6 is 12. 2, 6 is 12. Okay. 2, 6 is 12. Again 2, 3 is 6. So the factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So here in the what is the term? What is the middle term here? The middle term is minus 7. The middle term is minus 7. The middle term is minus 7. So you have to split. You have to split this middle term. So how can we split it? See here, there are 2 into 2 into 3 will 2 into 2 into 3 are the factors of 12. Okay. So 2 into 2 will give me 4 and this 3 will give me 3 only. So 4 into 3. Okay, now what 4 into 3 is 12 and also minus 4 into minus 3 is also 12. Okay, so what we can do here, see 12x square I have written here. So in place of minus, what we can write? Minus 4. As you have to split, we have to split the middle term. How we have to split? We have to split according to the factors of 12. So the factors of 12 are 4 and 3 is equal to 12. Why 12? Because the multiplication of the coefficient of x square, that means the coefficient with the highest degree, coefficient of the variable with the highest degree, that means 12 into the constant term 1, okay, is 12. So 4 into 3 is 12, as well as minus 4 into minus 3 is equal to 12. 4 plus 3 will give me 7. So I cannot write 4 plus 3 because I need minus 7. So how can we get minus 7? If we take minus 4 and minus 3. So in place of minus 7 we can write minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Okay. So now what we can see from these two terms, here we can take 4x as common. Okay, so 4 3 is 12, thrice x minus 1, and here also thrice x minus 1. See, as I have get here thrice x minus 1, I must get here thrice x minus 1, so that I can afterwards I can take thrice x minus 1 common. We will see afterwards in the next step how we can do it. So you will understand why I have taken thrice x minus 1 written first in the next step. Okay, so thrice x minus 1, here is what, minus thrice x, so I have to multiply with minus 1. So minus 1 into 3x will give me minus thrice x, and minus 1 into minus 1 will give me plus 1. So from here we can take thrice x minus 1 common. Okay, here is also thrice x minus 1, here is also thrice x minus 1. And what is left? 4x minus, here is 4x, I have written here 4x, and here is minus 1. Here is minus 1. Here is 4x, so I have written here 4x, and here is minus 1, and therefore I have written here minus 1. So the factors of this quadratic polynomial or a polynomial is thrice x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. So these are the two factors of this polynomial. Okay, so this process is known as the splitting of the middle term. This process is known as splitting of middle term. Okay, splitting the middle term. So this, as this is the middle term, I have done it by splitting it. So this method is known as the splitting the middle term. This is done only in case of a quadratic polynomial. In the next videos we will learn how to factorize a polynomial having degree greater than 2. Okay, so let us take another example. Let us take another example. Suppose thrice x square, this is 4. Okay, question 4, Roman 4. Thrice x square minus x minus 4. Okay, so here the coefficient of x square is how much? 3, and here the constant term is minus 4. So 3 into minus 4 will give me how much? 12, minus 12. Okay, so now we have to forget about this minus. We don't have to consider it, consider the minus. Let us think about 12 only. So the product is 12. Okay, so 2 6 that now we have to factorize the 12, but we have to find the factors of 12. 2 6 is 12, again 2 3 is 6. So the factors are 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, but here is what? Minus x. So how can we get it? See here, 2 and 3. Okay, so I can take 4 here and 3 here. We need minus. So either this one has to be minus or this one has to be minus. Either 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, or minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Here is what? Here is minus x. So we will consider this one only, minus 1, because here is minus x. If there would have been plus x, then we would have considered 4 minus 3. But here is minus x, the middle term is minus x. So here we will consider minus 4 plus 3, because minus 4 plus 3 will give me minus 1. So let us do it here. Solve it. 3x square can be written as 3x square minus 4x plus 3x. Okay, understood? See here, minus 4 and plus 3. So I have written here minus 4x plus 3x, and the constant term is minus 4. This is the rough work. So now I have split the middle term. So now I will take common. What we can take common? We can take x common. So 3x minus 4. As I have taken, this one is plus. As I have taken 3x minus 4 common, I have to take 3x minus 4 again. So here is what? Plus 3x. So I write plus 3x. So plus 1 into 3x is plus 3x, and plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Now we will take 3x 3x minus 4 common, as here is 3x minus 4, here is also 3x minus 4. I have taken 3x minus 4 common. Then what is left? Here is left x and here is plus 1. So x plus 1. So 3x minus 4 and x plus 1 are the factors of this polynomial. Okay. So students, do rest of the problems from the exercise of factorize of a quadratic polynomial. If you face any problem, you just tell me, or you can WhatsApp me the problem. Okay. So students, go through it. I hope you will understand. Thank you very much.